Hey, what's up guys? So today I have a new product. In my description there will be a link and where to buy. So if you're looking for signal light light bulbs, so you do buy them and they blink too fast and stuff like that. So these come with the resistors already with it, which I'll show you in a couple minutes. These are the perfect ones. These are amber orange and yellow. So you get both. You get light yellow for park and orange for signal light. Very nice, very nice. So let me show you. It's a little tough to get it through here. So I'm gonna show you through down here, the little box. So if you see it, it's right there. Syneticusa. I hope I'm saying it right. It's kind of hard to pronounce it. So this is it right here. So it is in my signal light. It is in my signal light. Okay, so let's get it on and I can show you. Okay, so right now you can see it and it's blinking slowly because some aftermarket lights blinks very quick and these are amazing. Let me put my hazards right here. See both of them blinking. So that's it right there. Look at that. Very nice. So if you're looking for your signal lights not to flash fast, these are the ones. Well, if you have any other question about these signal lights, comment below, like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. Awesome. One more thing. That is your park light. Your signal light is not on. Those are your park lights. Very nice, very nice. Well, like I said, like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.